Hey there, I'm Steve. Hope you're doing awesome today. We're gonna learn Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Don't Do Me Like That, in under 3 minutes, including those cool little notes right there. Super fun. So let's just get to it and not, talk anymore. We're in G major. So I played G major right here, and you're gonna do the 3rd fret of both the E and the B strings, like that, and give it a pop and 2 palm mutes. Ready? And then a big strum out. So that's the main thing. Try that for a minute, get the rhythm. And then it goes to an F major. Let's do the verse first. F major, C, C major, D major. So this is the verse. F, C, D major, cut you down a size, whatever, and then it goes into the chorus. It goes, don't do me like that. And this is where those notes come in. It's really easy. You hit the open D string and hammer on to the 2nd fret of that D string, and then hit the open G. So try that. Do that over and over again, and it goes G. So you got to quickly go from the G chord to that note, then you go to the F major, like that. You do it again real quickly. You don't have to if you don't want to, of course. Then it goes into an E minor. And you see I strummed, I almost say I strum, that's not a word. I strummed from the top down. Girl, I love you, baby. C major, D major, don't do me like that. Do it again. Back into the verse. Dun, 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 dun. F, C, cut you down a size, all that kind of stuff. I keep saying that word again, but I don't know all the lyrics. So that's really it. The verses are the same over and over again. When it goes to the chorus, it does the same chorus. Now there's a bridge in the middle that goes like this. Dun, 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 dun. That's a G7, C, G7, again, G7, C, now it goes to C minor, goes to D major, ooh, yeah. Back to the G, back to the F, verses and choruses, all the good stuff. So it just repeats it over and over again. That's it. Really fast. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments, and pause and rewind if you need to, but I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.